Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to assemble this 3-layered Gajar Halwa dessert. Please do watch till the end. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's start with the very bottom layer, the first layer, which is made up of pistachio. Take 1 cup of pistachios, unroasted and unsalted, and add hot water to it. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. I am doing this to peel off its skin and get its nice bright green color. Drain the water and put the pistachios in between a clean cloth and then rub them to peel off the skin. Now grind them in a blender and keep it aside. Now let's go on to the second layer, which is the middle layer, made up of cream cheese. Let's boil 1 liter of milk, then put 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice or white vinegar to curdleize the milk. Strain the milk using a muslin cloth. Please do not throw away the liquid. Gather the milk solids in the cloth and let it sit for at least 10 minutes so that all the excess liquid drains away. After 10 minutes, take it out from the cloth and put it in a blender. Put some 2 to 3 tablespoons of the reserved liquid if it's too dry, and then blend it. Blend it to a smooth paste. Now the cream cheese is ready. Transfer it to a bowl. Add around 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and mix it properly. Keep it aside. So the topmost layer is Gajar Halwa. For this I am cooking 1 kilo of grated carrots for 10 minutes, and then I am going to add 1 liter of boiled milk. Please watch my Gajar Halwa video for detailed recipe. I'll leave the link in the description box. Add half a cup of sugar and then cook until the halwa is done. So the 3 layers for our dessert are ready. Let's assemble it. I have taken a small stem glass, a dessert glass. You can take a shot glass or any other small glass for this. So let's put the bottom layer, that's the pistachio. Press it. This is how it looks. Now let's put the cream cheese on top of it. Again, put generous amount and then press it properly. Now the last layer, that's the Gajar Halwa. So our delicious tricolor dessert is ready. You can serve it immediately or you can refrigerate it before serving. Thank you for watching, and again do not forget to like, share and subscribe.